Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Make sure your Google Home and phone are on the same Wi-Fi, and you're signed into the Google Home app and the Spotify app. Once done, open the Google Home app and tap your profile or device settings to access services. You do this because account linkage requires both services to see the same network and credentials. Next, navigate to the music section so you can begin linking Spotify. This is the first actionable step that actually starts the connection process. Now link Spotify. Select Spotify under Music Services, then tap Link Account. You'll sign into Spotify and grant the permissions Google asks for. This is necessary so Google Home can access your playlists and playback. Once authenticated, choose the Spotify account you want associated with the home device and toggle Spotify as your default music provider so voice commands go there automatically. Make sure to confirm the account if multiple Spotify profiles exist. This prevents playing the wrong library when you ask Google to play music. Finish by testing playback. Ask, "Hey Google, play playlist or song on Spotify," or start casting from the Spotify app to your Google Home device. This confirms the link and default provider are working. If playback fails, make sure both apps are updated and devices restarted, then relink Spotify in the Google Home settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if Google plays from a different account, unlink and explicitly sign into the correct Spotify account before relinking. This resolves most account conflict problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.